I feel like when I was in undergrad learning about puppetry was even more of like a hands-on experience in like mechanical design than I was getting
Really?
in engineering school at the time.
If you don't know me, I'm obsessed with puppets and Henson and everything. So, like, obviously, I wanted to be your best friend whenever we first met. I dabbled a little bit in building puppets in high school. And one of the things that I thought that I had to, like, get rid, like, I couldn't take it with me whenever I went to college, whenever I was doing my degree program in engineering. And so, like, I've had heated debates with people about like adding A to STEAM. But I think it's so important to add the A to STEM to make it STEAM. I know the answer. This is a leading question a little bit. Why do you think that the A is important? Because personally, it's made a lot of, it's been a huge influence to my life as well as obviously to yours.